What is up, Africana Fam? In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to achieve the black girl blonde hair movement with some dark roots. So if you want to see how I achieve this look from start to finish, then keep on watching. Y'all, I'm so excited because I told myself that this fall/winter is going to be a black girl blonde hair winter. And y'all, I finally got it. Look at what I got. I got some new hair, y'all, and it's some raw hair at that. Y'all know me. I love me some good raw hair. Granted, I love these AliExpress companies, you know, because the hair do be coming in clutch, but it's nothing better than raw hair, y'all. And this is the perfect black-owned business for my black girl blonde hair. I just want to show y'all the color of the hair. I ain't never seen no ting like this before, y'all. Like, I ain't never seen nothing like this. Look at this. Look. See ya? Y'all, when I say I'm about to have a field trip with this hair, like, can we get into the color tones? Can we get into the texture, the silkiness? Can we just get into how it just looks just so nice against my skin tone? Like, do y'all know how hard it is to find a good blonde that just comes straight, like straight out the box looking good in your skin tone? So this hair sponsor, if you didn't see it on the box, because I'm pretty sure the exposure was a little bit too high. This is from the Eliva Luxury Hair brand. This is the brand, Eliva Luxury Hair. And when I say I'm thoroughly impressed, baby, like, this is one wig I am not going to sell. I usually sell all my wigs like literally right after I take it off my hair from recording, but this one is definitely going into my collection because I just can't afford to give this up. Do y'all see the texture, baby? I can see it is already pre-parted and it kind of has that piano thing going on. I am going to go ahead and opt into dyeing the roots. Let's see how it look like on my head, on top of my head, just like this. So this is how the closure look like on my head, as y'all can see. And we're definitely going to go ahead and deepen up these roots, just so we have like a nice little gradients, you feel me? That is exactly what I'm gonna be showing y'all today. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to root some blonde hair. I'm super excited because I actually never did a video like this ever on my channel, which is weird because I've rooted a lot of blonde hair, but I just never shown y'all. But today is the day. I am super excited to show y'all that. So yeah, let's get it. So right here, I just want to show y'all a quick before we go ahead and tap into these roots, y'all. So as you guys can see, we still have that piano look, and we're just going to go ahead and place this on a mannequin head and some T-pins just to tack it down on the mannequin head. And we're going to get started with the root. Now I went ahead and purchased some Ion permanent hair color in the color medium brown, and this is the number 4N, alongside with some Clairol 20 volume developer. So I went ahead and got a root applicator bottle and I mixed those two together and shook them up, and now I'm going to go in with my dye brush and get the perimeter of the hair first. I am going to be showing y'all just one side because the process is repetitive, but I am going to go ahead and part my hair into small sections, and I'm going to use a duckbill clip just to clip away the rest of the hair. As you guys can see, it does apply on clear, but then it gets brown as it oxidizes. So I am going to go ahead and use the root applicator first and place it towards the roots of the hair, and I'm going to just squeeze just a little bit and then use my dye brush just to brush it. And I am doing these roots about 1 inch long, and I'm just making sure that it applies evenly. You do want to make sure that you're pretty easy on the lace. You don't want to dye the lace. So again, using the root applicator tip, I am going to go ahead and press that near the root, not exactly on the root, but right next to it, just so that I can use my brush just to brush it onto the actual root of the hair without dyeing the lace, because the lace is not protected. I didn't do anything to protect the lace. So I do like to go ahead and also back comb as well too. So on the section, as you guys can see, I am going to go ahead and also dye the back of the part as well before I part it, and then, you know, part the front. Hopefully that makes sense. But you just want to make sure that you get both sides so that one side isn't, you know, more dyed than the other. You just want to make sure that everything is nice and concentrated. now we are towards the top of the hair, which is the part, and I'm just going to use the root applicator and apply the root color right next to the root, and then use my brush just to even out the dye. And again, you just want to make sure that you're using a light hand. I did purchase all of these products from my local Sally's, so go ahead and go to your local Sally's to purchase your dye, your developer, and also the brush as well too. But like I said, the color does appear pretty light, so you just want to make sure that you kind of I would say start higher in the root than you would anticipate until the color starts showing, and then if you want to make the roots come longer, you can do that as well. So that's what I was pretty much doing throughout the entire time, and allowed it to oxidize. And this is actually my first time using a permanent color. Usually I would use Adore, which is the semi-permanent color, but I told myself that, you know, I wanted to go for a really rich brown, and sometimes I feel like permanent dyes don't show up as well as, you know, permanent dyes. But this is the first half of the hair, as y'all can see, and I did do the other half off camera. And now I'm just using my rat tail comb, and I'm kind of combing through just a bit of the roots, not through the entire hair, but just a bit of the roots, just to kind of give it more of that gradient effect. But I let that sit for about 3 to 4 hours, and now I'm going to go ahead and wash it. I'm using my silicone mix shampoo, and I'm going to go ahead and let that shampoo the hair, and then rinse it out, and then use my silicone mix conditioner. I just love silicone mix for just wigs in general. And I let it air dry, and these are the finished results. As y'all can see, the roots are literally the perfect color to the caramel side of the actual blonde hair, y'all. Like, it just looks so clean, and honestly, you would not achieve this look with a semi-permanent dye. So I'm so happy that I used a permanent colored dye, because the results just came out so clean, and the color is a perfect match to the brown undertones of this hair. And I'm just showing y'all different angles of the hair, just so y'all can see that when you do part your hair, that the roots don't look super harsh or like, you know, just very choppy. It is a beautiful, beautiful gradient, y'all, from any place that you part it at. So I'm just showing y'all a little demonstration of how it look. And now I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how it looks like on my head. So alright, y'all, these are the finished results of the roots. As you can see, I did my makeup and everything. And y'all, this lace, this hair, the roots, yeah, it's giving Black Barbie. You feel me? Like, I am in love with this look, y'all. Let me know what y'all think of these roots. And if y'all want more hair color tutorials, go ahead and comment down a rainbow emoji for your girl. But if you enjoyed this video and found it very informative, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.